IC Lindahl, initial attack IC. We're going to use an overview of the fire in the surrounding area and give you the information that I have for the transition to your team. We'd like your team to take over at 1000 this morning, if at all possible. Our initial attack forces are pretty wore out. We're going to take off here from the Side Valley Heli Base, fly over the town of Side Valley. You can see fire camp at the school. We're going to fly northeast up the Side Valley Road, which is the only access into the fire area and also the only access out of the fire area for residents and private vehicles in the area. You can see there's homes scattered along the valley as we go up the road. As we approach drop point 1, that's a significant landmark. At drop point 1, the county sheriff has a roadblock and he has evacuated everything above drop point 1. So right now he has 3 deputies in the area to help evacuate more if we need that. Everyone below drop point 1 is on alert, evacuation alert. Coming up on the fire now on the south side of the fire, you can see we've highlighted some of the structures. This doesn't show every structure, but it shows location of a structure or a cluster of structures. Again, everything up here is evacuated. The fire is currently about just under 900 acres, I would guess. It started down here among the houses at about 1545, August 15th. We believe it was lightning. It started close to these houses down in the valley. Looking at the valley, you can see the homes. You can see some of the open areas we have, which should help with containment efforts. Also, this anhydrous ammonia facility, and we'll have a picture of that here in a minute. It's a large storage tank and then some trailers that go to the field with anhydrous ammonia. We do have a contact for that facility, an administrator. We have a phone number. We haven't reached him yet, and that may be one of the things you want to try to do as soon as possible. We have taken no actions on that facility to this point. All our actions have been in Division Alpha and Whiskey, which you can see right now. We have some Type 1 crews and some supported by dozers and air support putting in a line. We have a good anchor point at the division break. I wouldn't call it a secure line because of all the unburned fuel still along that south edge, and you'll see the IR here in a minute. We still have a lot of heat along that south edge. Right now I've got in Division Alpha I got 2 crews and an engine. In Division Whiskey we have 1 crew, 7 engines and a dozer, and then I've got some resources in staging. I've got a strike team of Type 2 engines and a Type 6 engine. We're kind of holding those to see what you want to do with them. I've got some other resources on order, probably not enough for what you're going to need tonight, tomorrow, so you may want to order some more fairly soon. And, we're coming in on Side Valley. This picture of the school where the fire camp is. That's big enough for right now. If you double your resources, you're going to have to find some more room for equipment and crews as far as sleeping and staging. But as far as the ICP, I think it'll probably be big enough to handle the needs for that part of it. That's about everything I've got. I'll take a few questions, and then again, if you can take over at 1000 this morning, that'll work good for me if that works for you. Thank you very much.